That's way up there on that rock.
We are 10 miles from our destination.
Yep.
Starting to get into pretty cliffs and stuff. It's real neat.
10 miles from the Nada Tunnel. Look at them rocks up there.
Oh, awesome.
So welcome to the channel, guys. We are in Kentucky, and we're headed to the Nada Tunnel today. We've been all over the eastern side of the United States, a lot of it.
Now we're traveling back west.
Now we're headed back over west, actually, from where we was. Yep. Rock House, burgers, burritos, and beer.
Smells good.
Yeah, smell like good burgers.
It's really pretty down through here.
Yes, it is definitely pretty. Cattails growing in the ditch.
Yep. Oh, here comes some more cliffs.
Yep.
That is pretty. Wow. Bet you there's a trail somewhere to get up there to that.
Probably that's probably what these people are doing. Go hiking. It's a pretty big holler.
Yes, it is. Look at that. Woo-hoo.
It did turn out to be a nice day. It's 78 degrees.
Oh, cool. You missed the waterfall.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. I got excited. They were laying in the waterfall, matter of fact. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
There's a campground down there, too.
That's a campground down in a hole there.
They got a ski lift here. They must get a lot of snow.
Probably so. There's been some rocks falling out here in the road.
Yeah.
See where they've cleaned them off.
This is a cool road. Wow. Busy place.
Natural Bridge Arch, trail parking. Trail out through there, I guess. The Natural Bridge. Well, they evidently have a lot of people going to see it.
Yeah.
I see rain clouds up there.
Okay.
See
Don't let that.
a dead coon.
I smell all kinds of food. I
I do too.
smell hot dogs. I smell hamburgers. I think I smell s'mores.
I smell the smell of a smelly smell.
Smells awesome down through here. I love camping smells. The campfires and all that. Awesome. Of course, this last week we didn't get to build no fire.
No. We have at some of the campgrounds.
Yeah, just hadn't this last week.
No,
because it was too wet.
it was too much rain to build a campfire.
Yep. We built a couple, but it wasn't really super cold on the nights that we did it. We just wanted a campfire to sit around and talk around the campfire. So we did that for probably 3 or 4 times. And
So we are on Nada Tunnel Road. Is where we is in Kentucky. I don't know why they say it's not a tunnel when it is a tunnel. But the name of it's not a tunnel.
yeah, haha.
N-A-D-A, nada.
Just so funny.
Phew, somebody burning trash. Nasty. So this is what we drove 2 hours and 45 minutes or close to 3 hours to see. Something like that.
Yep. We sure have. There's a church. That old country church.
Yep.
Uh-oh, somebody's not happy.
I heard cricket.
Yeah.
Yippity yipping.
It's a possibility he'll probably have to go pee. We'll have to find a stop in a little bit to go potty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
He gonna just back on out.
Yeah. Watch it.
Well, you could, I say you could back on out a little bit and turn it. She don't know how. Look at there.
Oh, they just filled them up some water.
Yep, people get the free water,
Yep.
fill up spring water.
Yep. But that's what they did. They come and got some water.
Alert.
Bears. Food storage required.
Yep.
That means lock your food up.
Man, it's pretty cool through here.
Oh, this is nice. This is the kind of roads we like.
Yeah. This is awesome.
Kentucky has not let us down on the scenery. Let me
Oh,
tell
that's
you.
true. Ain't no doubt about it.
Parking permitted in designated areas only. Backcountry camping permit required. Oh, well, that's nice to know. You're not just allowed to go off and go backpacking. You have to have a permit.
Mm-hmm. Here is the tunnel. Check this out. Yield to oncoming traffic.
Red River Gorge Geological Area.
This
is cool.
This is freaking crazy awesome.
Oh, the train's off the track and I can't get it back, and I can't get a letter to my home, to my home, to my home, and I can't get a If you say so, I'll railroad no more. I'll sidetrack my train and go home. And go home, and go home. I'll sidetrack my train and go home.
Hey, look at that Goldwing. That's a nice looking Goldwing. But we
Okay.
need to turn around to park. I don't want to. This is downhill like this. Or park over there coming back. Sweet. That was awesome. We'll go down here and turn around. Hey, that's a nice bike. I like it. Check out these rocks. Pee. If you gotta go take a pee, I guess you go down there. Must be a bathroom.
I mean,
It says pee. Look at that. I guess you can go pee up here too. Ain't no outhouse.
wow, look up there.
Oh, holy cow. I wasn't even looking up. That's way up there.
Yeah, but did you see the rocks?
Yeah. What I was talking about. Pretty sweet road.
Well, as soon as you can find a more level spot or whatever, more comfortable spot to pull over where we can let him go potty.
Yeah. We'll do that. We'll have to turn around on this. We're going uphill. Super cool. We'll turn around down here. Looks like a good place to do it.
Looks like they got a bathroom too.
Oh, really? You want to go?
Yep, right down here. I can go and you can let Cricket go.
Mercy. I don't know if there's any parking down here.
Well, it's not like you can't park like right here while I go to the bathroom. Man, somebody put on the sunscreen. You can get turned around.
I'll probably pull up that way and park. We're going to turn around. We turned around back there. We're going to come back through the tunnel the other direction.
Lots of people out exploring this area today.
Mm-hmm.
We need to get a picture in front of the sign.
Yeah.
I don't know if they have a sign on this side. They should have. They did on the other side. Bite eater. Oh, yeah.
Look at that up there.
Uh-huh.
Hope it don't fall.
That is beautiful. Look at the markings in that rock.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that rock. Wow. I bet you that made a noise when it fell.
Imagine. Shook the earth.
Okay, this is the tunnel. There ain't no sign on this side. It's
No.
just on this side.
No sign at all. Wow. This is so...
But we don't know if anything's coming. There's no warning.
I don't see anybody. Okay. We're good to go. I mean, it is freaking dark in here. Even high beams don't help much. And this Goldwing has some good lights on it. So hopefully you can even see anything on the camera. Probably not with the dash being lit up on this thing. But this is just a rock wall. It's not a cement tunnel or nothing like that. It's just dug through the rock. It's nice and cool in here, ain't it?
Yep.
And wet. It's supposed to be a haunted tunnel. Supposed to be. Of course, I don't know about that haunted, but anyway. Here we are coming out.
Bubba. Probably need to get at that angle with the sign.
Yeah, I'm going to try to get the sign in the tunnel right like that. Shut his deal. Be nice if somebody pulled in here, we could have them take a picture of us.
3, 4.
Waiting for that car. Once that truck goes. Let's try to get a selfie anyway.
Here, Cricket. Stand up here. Can you stand up there?
Okay, let's roll on out of here. Sounds just clear.
Yeah, that truck just come out, so it's clear to
Be
go.
clear now, yeah.
Because they're all going that way. So, we're ready.
Feels cool down there. Feels good to me. It's kind of stuffy up in there. 82 degrees, and it wasn't sun shining, but where is it? Can't tell these shades on. Kind of. Not real bright. So there we go. That was the Nada Tunnel here in Kentucky. Very cool. If you ever get a chance to come see it, just look up Nada Tunnel. We always wanted to come see it since we seen it on a video on YouTube years ago. How long ago has that been?
I don't know. It's been a while.
Long time ago when we saw it. We've been wanting to come see this if we ever got out this way. So thank Sherry, I forgot about it, and she's like, "Oh, ain't that tunnel you want to go see out here?" Oh yeah. I looked it up and it was a little over 2 hours away. So we just thought, well, let's go see it. So thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We'll catch you on the next one. God bless. Right on.